Welcome to an exciting session on how to generate an innovative idea. This is all session is guided by Department of School Education and Literacy, AICT, Innovation Council. I am Arjun Panchal. I am founder and startup coach at Startup Lifestyle Hub. Founder Papa Zapata and author What Happens in America that's there on Amazon. This session is happening with the support of all school teachers and principals. By end of 30 minutes, I promise you that you will come up with a lot of new innovative ideas and also would know that how to generate these innovative ideas. So what school should do? Make a studio among the students and teachers in a hall. Then submit a report on SIC portal and the report will include 4 photographs and number of participants. Also, I request you to have a pen and notebook so that you can take a lot of notes and make the best of this session. So let's understand what is idea and opportunity. So what is opportunity first? Opportunity is the need in the society around the problems of people and demands of people. That is opportunity. An idea, you solve the problem, people's problem with an idea. So idea is your own idea.